Meet Alvin. He wakes up at 6 a.m., runs the wheel for 8 hours, gets his nuts, sleeps, repeats. For years. He thinks it's life. But it's not life, it's a system. A system that trades your time for nuts and makes you believe that's all there is. One day, Alvin saw something terrifying. An old squirrel, tired, slow, was pushed off the wheel. A younger one took his place. In that moment, Alvin understood. The wheel doesn't care about you. It only cares about the spinning. Alvin discovered the forbidden truth. While 99% of squirrels run the wheel, 1% plant trees. The wheel gives you nuts today. The tree gives you nuts forever. But here's what nobody tells you. Planting looks like doing nothing at first. That's why most squirrels never try. The forest is full of traps. Magic nuts that promise instant wealth. Safe holes that slowly starve you. Impatience that kills growth. Alvin almost fell for them all. But then he learned the real secret. The secret is boring. So boring that most squirrels ignore it. 1. Save more nuts than you need. 2. Plant them in fertile ground. The whole forest, not one tree. 3. Wait. 4. Repeat. That's it. No magic, just compound growth and time. Today, Alvin works when he wants, sleeps when he wants, and his trees grow whether he's awake or not. He broke the wheel not by running faster but by stepping off. The system calls him lazy. He calls himself free. You're on the wheel right now. Want to know how to plant your first tree? Subscribe. See you later.